midway through a cruise. But what better idea, go for a run. While everyone else is lying around cooling off, I'm going to heat up. What can possibly go wrong? There's not many runs where you need your passport on. I've got about a 6-mile route planned. She went on Garmin Connect, saw someone else had done a run, so just stole that and then downloaded it to my watch. So let's get going, shall we? There's a really nice harbour here in Bodrum. There normal people are sunbathing and relaxing while I go and destroy my legs. It's my first time here in Bodrum. I wasn't really sure what to expect. It's actually much nicer than I thought it was going to be. When I'm not being run over by a motorcycle. Back into the harbour now. It's actually a really nice breeze, so although it's hot, it's actually reasonably bearable. What the statues of scuba divers are all about. Just going through a shopping area now, nice bit of shade. But you can never escape a hill. There's one right up ahead. Looks like this dual carriageway, not so good. This hill here seems to be going on forever. The last are at the top. A little plod. Funny looking British telephone box. At last I'm off that dual carriageway. Not the nicest of places to run, but I did get to see that Roman amphitheatre, so that was worth it, and a really nice view. It's not too bad at all in the shade. There's a bit of a breeze coming off the harbour there. But once you're in the sun, it's roasting. Well, it seems the Brits are well catered for here. I've seen quite a few little cabs serving a full English breakfast. bit of that bear themed restaurant. And we're done. We're back at the cruise terminal now, so I think I've done about 5 or 6 miles, not sure. Managed to mess up the watch, but really good run actually. But that's my holiday run done. Very enjoyable run. Bit hot though. It's actually okay by the harbour there where there's a bit of a breeze, but once I got into that dual carriageway it was so hot, a bit airless, but I did get to see some good sights. Just heading back on board now, and I need a really big long drink. Maybe next time I just stick to the gym, eh?